Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many Samsung TV owners face, the home button not working. If you've been frustrated by this problem, don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy fixes. Stick around to learn how to get your Samsung TV's home button working again in no time. 1. Check the remote. The first thing to do is to check if the issue lies with your remote control. Sometimes, the problem can simply be a stuck button or a drain battery. Replace the batteries or gently clean around the home button to ensure there's no debris causing the issue. 2. Power cycle your TV. If the remote seems fine, the next step is to perform a power cycle on your TV. Turn off your Samsung TV using the remote or by unplugging it from a power source. Wait for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in or turning it on using the remote. This can often resolve minor software glitches causing the home button malfunction. 3. Update software. Check if your Samsung TV's software is up to date. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause functionality issues with the remote, including the home button. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update to check for any available updates and install them if necessary. 4. Reset remote settings. Another troubleshooting step is to reset the remote settings on your TV. Navigate to Settings, General, Remote Manager, Reset Remote. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset the remote control settings. This can sometimes recalibrate the home button functionality. 5. Factory reset. If all else fails and the home button still doesn't work, you may need to perform a factory reset on your Samsung TV. Note that this will erase all your settings and apps, so make sure to back up any important data beforehand. Go to Settings, Support, Self-Diagnosis, Reset, and follow the prompts to reset your TV to factory settings. Conclusion. And there you have it, several methods to fix the home button on your Samsung TV if it's not working. Whether it's a simple battery change, a software update, or a reset, these steps should help you get back to enjoying your TV without the frustration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.